In this video, let's talk about why it's important to order your materials and shop supplies through FloorVisio instead of handling them outside the system. It might seem easier to just place a quick order with a vendor, but when you do that outside of FloorVisio, you lose visibility. And visibility is everything. When you order through FloorVisio, your entire team can see. Has this item already been ordered? Is it currently on order? When was the last time we received it? No more guessing. No more duplicate orders. No more. I thought someone else already handled that. Everything is tracked, documented, and visible in one place. But it doesn't stop there. When your shop supplies and materials are set up properly in FloorVisio, you can also manage inventory levels. That means you can set minimum and maximum quantities. Know when you're running low. Avoid stockouts or over-ordering. Instead of reacting to problems, you're staying ahead of them. And finally, this keeps your entire operation consistent and organized. You're not running one process for customer orders and a completely different process for internal supplies. Everything flows through the same system, the same structure, the same level of control. That consistency reduces errors, simplifies training, and keeps your operation running smoothly. So while ordering outside the system might feel faster in the moment, using FloorVisio gives you clarity, control, and consistency across your entire operation. And that's how you scale without the chaos.